At some point you may want to share a video with your students, whether in the course content or in a structured discussion. I'm going to show you a couple of ways to embed a video in your course content. Right now I'm on the main home page of a new shell I just ordered. I'm going to click on Content, and I'm just going to create a new module here just as a test called YouTube. Once that YouTube module is created, I'm going to upload or create. When I click that down arrow, I have some options. The one that I'm looking for right now is video or audio. When I click that, I have an option to either upload a video from my own computer, maybe that I have already created myself, or from the web, and it's asking you to enter a URL or an embedded code. You can take a look at some of the more common videos that can be embedded within D2L by clicking this link. You'll see a bunch of them here, including YouTube and TED, so any videos you find there can actually be copied and pasted into this section. In order to do this, you'll have to have a YouTube video pre-selected that you want to embed in your course content. I'm going to select this one. I'm going to click on the share link of the video and copy this link to the YouTube video. Once it's copied, I'm going to paste it in this section, and it should show up in this browser window. I can give it a title. When I hit save, it will show up full screen within the course content section. When I click back on the content section, you will now see the video within the YouTube module that you created. Another way to embed a video within your course is in the discussion section. I'm going to click on discussions. I have set up a test forum already just to show a demonstration of how you might embed a YouTube video in a discussion forum. If I click the topic that I've already created and start a new thread, you'll see some options in this dialog box. The one that we are looking for is this insert stuff on the top left. When I click that, you'll see the YouTube option. And again, you can paste that same code that we copied from the YouTube video we wanted to embed in there. Sometimes this error message will come up when posting in the discussion forum. Another way around this is to close off, go back to the YouTube video that you were hoping to embed, click the share button, and instead of a link directly to the video, we're going to click this embed code, and you'll see the embed code show up. Some options for embedding is where the video starts. So if you have a longer video and you only want your students to watch the first few minutes of the video, you can actually select a starting point for the video. If you just copy this embed code, close that off, go back into our D2L course and the discussion forum that we were hoping to place the video in. At the bottom right, you'll see this tag editor, this HTML source editor on the bottom. When I click that, it's going to allow me to paste that embed code right in the dialog box. And when I save that, the video should actually appear within the forum.